We're working with the D23x30DR. It's a new rock drill that Vermeer has. I think it's more convenient for us to be able to use a dual rod because all this rotation going on isn't so much wear and tear on the outer rod with this rock drill, and you're just able to be a lot more precise. I think our biggest thing with this is we like the two joysticks. The controls on this machine, they aren't a lot different than what we currently have. We're approximately getting 2 foot per minute, which is pretty incredible for rock. This is a lot quieter, and this machine isn't as bulky as the other ones we've had, so it's a lot easier to get into tighter spaces like these easements that we're currently doing. With the bigger machines that we need to get back in here and perform the jobs, it hasn't been near as easy to do in the past. We had to talk to a lot more homeowners. Now we can go through easements that we never had been able to do before. So far, we love it.